One of the most underrated AI application is Google AI Studio. So you are paying for applications like ChatGPT to chat with AI, but you don't know that AI Studio can provide you a way to speak with AI for free, and you can build application also with AI Studio, and all of this can be done for free. So basically this is a replacement for your ChatGPT application and for your vibe coding application like maybe Lovable or Bolt.new that can help you do all of these things. So to get access, you just need to visit the aistudio.google.com, and basically this can be done with a Google account. I have here a Google account that it's a free one, and you will be greeted with this interface in the beginning, and in here you will have multiple options. The first options that you can do is to just go and use the playground, and in here you will go and be able to use the playground to chat with AI. And right now Google has one of the best LLMs out there, Gemini 3 Pro, that has just been released. And in here you see that you have the options to chat with Gemini 3, you can chat with Gemini 2.5. Also you can create images for free with this, with Nano Banana, and so on. And basically what you can do in here, so let's say you want to chat with Gemini, you just choose the Gemini 3 like this, and you can start asking him questions, so like this. And of course you can ask it different things, and in here you have also some options and you can activate them. So basically one of the most important one, it's grounding with Google search. So basically if you activate this, it will allow you to also use Google search in this AI, so you have the latest information. So what I can ask him in here, it is just to give me the latest news in tech, like this. And right now the AI, it will go online and it will search the latest news and it will provide the output in here. We're gonna see this is a thinking model, so it will think about what he will provide to you. So you have the best options out there. So you see in here that it just went to the search engine and it just went and provided you the latest tech news. This is another new thing that can be used. Another thing that can be used in here is to just go and chat with files from your driver, or you can upload a file, you can record an audio, you can directly just go and ask it to view your camera, you can speak with a YouTube video, you can do sample media. And another thing that you can do is to just ask it to generate images. So in here for images, you'll have the Nano Banana Pro. This is the most powerful model from them, but this is a paid one, but you can use for free the Nano Banana one that is also very powerful. And in here you can ask it, for instance, generate an image with a cat, like this. And right now the model, it will start working and create the image for you like this. You see that right now the image is generated and you can just go and download it if you want. So you have all of these options for free, and you can use the Google AI models in here for free. But the most powerful option, it comes into this tab, the build part, and in here you will have the options to go and create an application. And in here you will have the options to choose the model. So the most powerful one is the Gemini 3 Pro, and you will have the options to use the React or Angular for this. React is the most known one. And in here, after you're choosing this, you have the options to supercharge your apps with AI and do, for instance, Nano Banana powered applications to generate images, to search the data in Google to provide you some details, Google Maps, and so on. And for this application that I want to show you, I'm gonna use the Nano Banana powered app. And for this, I want you to generate a meme app where you add the text and the image is generated. You can choose from different aspect. Okay, and right now you hit build, and this will start building the application for you from scratch. This is just an example so we can see how this is working, and afterwards we can see how you can deploy it and how you can share this application with others, and they can use the application to their Google account and AI Studio. So you will not be using your credits for this. Right now this application is being built, and in here you see that you have some details, and you don't have a lot of things in here. It will just tell you the files that are created, and in here you can go and choose the code in case you are a developer and you want to see some code in here and how this is working and built. And in the services Gemini in here, it will gonna use the model and the details with the aspect ratio, and it will gonna use the Nano Banana with Flash, not the Pro, because for the Pro you need to pay. And in here, let's see what he will be creating for us, because he shouldn't take long. So right now the application it's generated, and in here you see that you have all the files, and if you're going to go to preview, you'll have the options to see the preview of this, and this is the UI, and in here you see that you have the different aspect rotations that can be generated, and in here you can tell it to create or edit an existing image, and in here let's go create, and I have a meme in here. I'll check my phone for 1 minute, 3 hours later, how? It's just an idea. And in here you can put also a style for this pixel art cyberpunk. Let's do cyberpunk style. So I'll put in here the meme. Okay, and I will generate. And right now it should start generating the image for me for free. With this meme, it should have this aspect rotation. So you see in here that for 1 minute and 3 hours later, like this. So yeah, I mean, this is just an example to show you. You can go then and edit the image in here, and you can just upload the image, and you can ask it just to edit for you the image and to change the aspect ratio. So yeah, basically this is just one thing that you can do with this. So you can create applications for your business. You can create application for you, for the things that you're using day by day. And right now in this part in here, you'll have the options to download the app. So you can download it on your laptop. You can link a GitLab account if you're like knowing how to do that. You can deploy your app into the Google Cloud. But the most important thing is to share your app. And in here you have the options to share your app. So you can share your app like this. You need to publish the app first, and let's ask it to be to the default full screen. Right now you'll have a shareable world. Basically this is the URL created for your app, and you can go in here, and in case if you put enter in there, continue to your app, the one that will have an Google account, it will have access to the application, and it will use his own account with the credits that it has in the account, free credits, to have access to the application and use it. So that's why this is powerful, because you will take advantage of the AI for free, and you can share this application with others. So right now you can go and start using the application, and if you're going to go into the AI Studio like this right now, back to start, in here let's go and see. So for instance, right now you are in the beginning, and if you want to check your application, you're gonna go to build, and in here you have the application that you've built with this, and one of the application is the Nano Banana meme generator that I've created, and if you click this, you will be prompted to go to the application to use it. So you can start using it in here, and you can go and enhance the application in here with the Gemini. So add image history for this, add text overlay in there, improve loading states, preset styles, save preferences, and so on. So you can go and customize your application with more things. In this video, you've seen the AI Studio and the fact that you can use it for free, which is a good thing, and it will allow you to use the smartest models out there from Google, and it will allow you to build applications for free and use them for free. Right now you can go and start building your applications that maybe automate some of the tasks that you have day by day. In case you like what you have seen, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.